Good afternoon and a warm welcome to the first of two short videos, and I have Neil, which is great to see Neil back. He's had a few months off recuperating, but he's behind the camera and we're delighted to have you, Neil. Thank you. So what is this video about? Well, this one's going to be about how should you, when buying a new car, if you're lucky enough to be able to do so, how should you spec a car? So really, as you will probably be aware, lots of cars, lots of choices, although not as many as there used to be prior to COVID, but there's still quite a few choices of specs and trims and backs. So this is my advice to you all if you are indeed looking at a new car at present. So let's just take a German car, say a Mini, which is built by obviously BMW. So how would you spec, say, a Mini car, which is quite a popular car? So there are a couple of things you should consider with any car, but particularly with a car like that, is what is going to be advantageous when you come to part exchange it, sell it back to BMW or sell it yourself. Well, one or two of the features are privacy glass. Rear privacy windows glass is very important, so too a sunroof and a reversing camera, and then inside the car you have things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all popular features. You can expect to pay roughly £750 to £1,000 for a sunroof. The windows are about £250 to £300, and you should see back between 50 and 70% upon reselling the vehicle. So you're not going to get everything back you've spent, but you're going to get quite a big percentage of it, and it suddenly makes the car stand out from what is on offer. So buying a new car, think carefully about the specification you choose. So the wheels, that's another area that needs to be thought about. So the standard wheels, whilst they're fine in most cases, you may want to spend another £400, £500, £600 on upgrading the wheels. It's a visible first thing you see on the externals, and that's a wheel. So make sure you've got the wheels right and match it to the colour of the car, which is another sort of an option to consider, the colour of the car. So metallics, I'm not going to sit here and tell you what colour to buy because that's down to you, but colours are important, and sometimes a vibrant colour on, say, in a bath, like the adrenaline green, which works really well. It wouldn't work so well on, say, a GLC Mercedes, but you know, that's again personal opinion. So if you have a budget, then look at the budget and get the most you can for the budget. As I say, on an SUV, GLC, an Evoque, an X1, X3, X2, sunroofs, massive options, very big options. They are between sort of £1,100 to £1,500. It doesn't have to open the panoramic roof, you can just have a blind that slides in, but we don't buy them without pan roofs. So you've really got to go for pan roofs. It's a very big must. And inside the car, or let's stay on the outside for now, alloy wheels on an SUV, very important. You fill that gap between the top of the tyre and the wheel arch. So try and go for sort of 19s minimum, 20, 21 inch alloy wheels. It may seem a little bit expensive, but it will help you and you'll benefit from it as well. You'll have some enjoyment of having those type of wheels on, and you know, it will be nice and pleasing to look at from your point of view, and especially when you get more money in exchange for it. So hopefully that's given you a taste of what specs to look for, but I can be contacted on the website at www.cheshire-cars.co.uk. Ping an email across there and I'll endeavour to get back and give you some more specific advice to a vehicle that you may be considering. But that's David Bilsborough, business owner at Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. Have a fabulous day, and there'll be more from us very soon. Thank you.